France attracts millions of visitors every year. From the romantic streets of Paris to the stunning French Riviera, it's a dream destination for travelers worldwide. But before you can experience France, you'll need the right visa. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to apply for a France visa by yourself, step by step. Welcome to Next Stop Travel TV. Click on the subscription button. Let's get started.
The France tourist visa is part of the Schengen visa system. This means that once approved, you can travel not only to France but also to several other European countries within the Schengen area during your permitted stay.
Before starting your application, confirm that you need a visa and identify the correct category. Your nationality and intended length of stay will determine the requirements you'll need to meet. Your passport must remain valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned departure from the Schengen area. It should also contain at least 2 blank pages for visa stamps. Many visa applications are delayed because of incorrect photographs. Ensure your photo meets official biometric requirements and has been taken recently. You'll need proof of where you plan to stay during your visit. This may include hotel reservations or an invitation letter from a host living in France. Provide a clear travel itinerary showing your planned arrival and departure dates. This helps immigration officials understand the purpose and duration of your visit. One of the most important parts of your application is proving that you can financially support yourself during your trip. Strong financial documentation greatly improves your application's credibility. Travel insurance is mandatory for Schengen visa applicants. It should cover medical emergencies and remain valid throughout your intended stay. When filling out your application, accuracy is critical. Double-check every field before submission. Even small mistakes can cause delays or complications. After completing your application, schedule an appointment at the designated visa application center. Organize all documents before your visit.
At your appointment, biometric data may be collected. Your documents will then be reviewed and submitted for processing.
Okay, ready for fingerprints. Please place your fingers here. Here are my documents.
Many applications are refused because of incomplete paperwork, inaccurate information, or insufficient proof of finances. Review every document carefully before submission. Once your application is approved, you'll be ready to begin your French adventure. Careful preparation, honesty, and attention to detail can significantly improve your chances of success. If this guide helped you understand the France visa process, subscribe for more travel and immigration guides from around the world. Safe travels, and thank you for watching.